Hello, in this great occasion, we like to present our statistical research entitled Application of the Dynamic Factor Model on Nowcasting Sectoral Economic Growth with High-Frequency Data. The background of our research that is GDP has a long release lag because composed by so many indicators. If economic indicator release earlier, it can provide accurate information about economic condition. On the contrary, delay in the availability of indicator will cause a country to fail in facing an economic crisis. Nowcasting with real-time data is the solution to get faster estimation about economic condition, and using high-frequency data will improve the quality of the nowcasting. We use the method called dynamic factor model, which can capture complex and dynamic nature of the economy. And we use REMAX as a benchmark, and we estimate the GDP growth in the sectoral level, which are the industrial, transportation, and finance. The research purpose is described in this. And this is the benefit of the research. Now the theoretical review. Dynamic factor model written like this as a giant on 2008. It followed the factor autoregression process with lag of P. This is the two estimation. The first is principal component and the Kalman filtering and smoothing. By these two processes, we get the formation of dynamic factor following the VAR-P process. VAR is factor autoregressive written as follows. And this is the ARMA model, which consists two processes which are autoregressive and moving average. If we add U exogenous variable, we will have a RMAX model written as follows. And there are three benchmark of model used in this study, such as RMSE, SMAP, and MAD. The methodology, the data type is time series and secondary data. The source is Badan Pusat Statistik, Bank Indonesia, Yahoo Finance, Google, etc. The frequency is monthly. The period is January 2010 until March 2023. This is the DFM model specification. And this is the RMAX model specification, which consists AR process, MA process, general predictor, and specific predictor. The response variable consists of three sectors that in the research, which are industrial, transportation, and financial. And there are four predictor variables, which is general predictor indicator and the sectoral predictor indicators. This is what the variable from the general prediction indicator. And this is the first model for estimate the industrial sector. This is the second sector for estimate the growth of transportation sector. And this is the third model which estimate the growth of financial sector. The research step is preparation, which collect the data and dividing the testing data and check the stationary data in the testing. The second is DFM estimation, and the third is the RMAC estimation. Then we conclude based on the result of these two methods. This is the result. Every variable already stationary in the level. And this is an overview of GDP growth. This is the determination for lag, optimum lag, and the number of factor for dynamic factor model, which are in the industrial, we have 4 factor, transportation 3 factor, and financial 4 factor. This is the regression result for industrial. This is for transportation, and this is the financial sector. This is RMAX model, which already stationary, and this is the result. Now we benchmark the estimation result, the nowcasting result. As we can see, the purple is for nowcasting from DFM, and the green is from RMAX, and the black one is actual data. This is for industrial sector, and this is for transportation sector, And this is for the financial sector. Now, the model benchmark based on RMSE, SMAP, and MAD. The industrial sector, the FM is better in the industrial sector, but the RMAC is better in the transportation and financial sector. Hence, we can conclude that in the DFM result, industrial sector have a good result, transportation sector have a very bad result, while in financial sector have a quite bad result. It's same with the RMAX model, and based on SMAP, the DFM method produce smaller estimation error in the industrial sector, but larger than the RMAX method in the transportation and financial sector. This is our recommendation based on this research result. There are 3. And thank you for your attention. Thank you.